Here's the centrifugal clutch, and as you can see, it is not connected to this chain whatsoever. It doesn't make contact with this gear down here. That's a 420 chain, and that's a 35 teeth. So see, this will still turn the chain to turn the wheel, but this turns this smaller gear, which turns our jack shaft. Is up underneath the motor there, and that is where the supercharger is going to mount, right there. First fitting, and oh, it's going to work real good. Oh, it's tight. I can't rotate it. Okay, so I can have the ports out or up. This is going to be the out, and this is going to be the in. We're just going to lop this off and zoop straight down to there with a piece of soft hose. I have to invent some kind of bracket to hold this. We don't want it just laying there. Oh gosh, yeah. Okay, this is getting exciting. Oh, that would be pretty badass, huh? Should I go sideways or should I go up and down? What do you think? It's gonna, I mean, it just looks like it's supposed to be there. It's so good. I love it. Love it. Oh, I can't wait for it to run. It screams without the boost. I can't wait to hear it go. All right, folks. Oh, there's my custom gas tank. I don't know if I've shown you that yet. I just notched out a little rectangle there to set the gas tank so that there's room on top of the motor. I thought I was going to have to put that up here, and I still could, but I like it down there. Boy, it just fits just lovely. Oh, what's that in there? Oh, that's another project. Garbage going on all the time. And I got a nice muffler here. It's really not restrictive, but it really makes it a lot milder sound so that the neighbors. Anyways, that's what you do with 3 horsepower or 98cc motor is trick it out with the supercharger. There's our Coleman.